Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make caramel kheer, full guide. Start by toasting sugar gently until amber and set it aside to avoid burning. Then rinse and soak 1 cup short grain rice for 20 minutes while you measure 1 liter whole milk and 1 cup sugar. Slowly simmer rice in milk, stirring frequently to prevent sticking and to build a rich, caramelized flavor for your kheer. To make perfect caramel for kheer, heat 1 cup sugar on medium-low and watch closely as it melts and darkens to a warm amber color. Do not rush or stir vigorously. A gentle swirl helps even melting and prevents crystals. When the color is right, carefully add 2 to 3 tablespoons of warm milk to loosen the caramel, then immediately fold this caramel into the simmering rice and milk base for a balanced flavor. Simmer your rice and milk mixture slowly, maintaining a gentle bubble and stirring every few minutes to prevent scorching on the bottom. After roughly 35 minutes, the kheer will thicken and the rice will be soft but intact, so adjust heat as needed to reach the desired consistency. Add cardamom, a teaspoon of butter, and chopped almonds or pistachios toward the end, then taste and balance sweetness before serving warm or chilled.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.